Embarking on a journey, whether it's the calm valleys of Swat or the buzzing streets of Tokyo, smart prep is key. The day before you travel isn't just about packing, it's about setting yourself up for a smooth trip. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 essential things you should do before takeoff. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Number 7. Prepare your home like you're going off-grid, because you kind of are. Before you even think about passport stamps and airplane snacks, your first mission is to make sure your home doesn't fall apart while you're sipping coconut water on a beach. Start with the basics. Go through your fridge and toss out anything that looks like it could audition for a science experiment. That half-full tub of hummus from 2 weeks ago? Let it go. Emptying your perishables ensures you won't come home to a smell that could knock out a grown man. Then, take out the trash. Yes, even the bathroom bin with the one-rolled tissue. Now turn your attention to your plants, give them a good soak, or recruit a plant-loving friend to keep them alive. If you're lucky, they'll still be green when you return. Lock all doors and windows, double-check the back door you always forget, and arm your alarm system if you have one. Smart lights on timers are a great way to fake occupancy and keep burglars guessing. And here's a pro tip. Turn off your water supply. One tiny pipe leak could lead to an indoor swimming pool, and unless you're planning on charging admission for that pool, it's best avoided. Number 6. Digitally arm yourself like a secret agent. Let's be real. Nothing ruins a vacation like losing your passport, except maybe realizing your credit cards are frozen in a foreign country because your bank thinks you're a thief. So become your own MI6 operative and take photos of all important documents. Snap your passport, front and back of your ID, credit cards, visa pages, everything. Then save these in a secure cloud folder like Google Drive or iCloud with 2-factor authentication. Don't just email them to yourself. Too easy to hack. Be smart and store them encrypted. In 2025, cyber safety is not optional. Also, call your bank or log into their app and inform them of your travel dates and destinations. This prevents them from flagging your card when you buy $60 sushi in Tokyo. Some banks now let you input travel plans directly into the app. Thank you, modern technology. And don't forget to save emergency contact numbers for your bank and card issuer. If something does go wrong, you'll be prepared to shut things down faster than a budget airline cancels a flight. Number 5. Print like it's 1999, because immigration still lives there. In a world of boarding passes stored on smartwatches and hotel keys emailed to phones, you think paper is dead. But spoiler alert, not at immigration. Many countries still want to see a printed copy of your accommodation confirmation, especially if you're applying for a visa on arrival. Immigration officers may ask where you're staying, and having to scroll through 47 emails while sweating through customs is not a power move. So channel your inner librarian and organize your bookings. Print out hotel confirmations, Airbnb addresses, and even flight itineraries if you have layovers. Staple them together in the order you'll be traveling. It'll save time, stress, and possibly a few security detentions. Also, keep your travel insurance printout in the same folder. Having all this neatly tucked into your carry-on says one thing loud and clear: I'm not here to mess around, sir. Number 4. Share your whereabouts like a low-key spy. Before you jet off, take 5 minutes to send your full itinerary to a few close friends or family members. No, not because you're being dramatic, but because it's smart. Include flight numbers, hotel names and addresses, check-in dates, and emergency contact numbers. Why? If anything happens, say your flight gets delayed, your phone dies, or you get whisked away on an unexpected camel ride through the desert, someone back home knows where to start looking. Even better, give your emergency contact a copy of your passport and visa details. Some travel apps now allow you to share real-time location tracking with select people, which is great for long solo trips, or if you're venturing off the beaten path. Remember, having a just-in-case backup plan doesn't make you paranoid. It makes you a seasoned traveler who values safety. Think of it as the GPS tracker on your life. Number 3. Check in online like a boss. Don't be that person in line. One of the easiest ways to start your journey off smoothly is by checking in online. Most airlines open their check-in portals 24 hours before departure, and if you're not checking bags, this can save you an outrageous amount of time. Just flash your boarding pass at security and head straight to the gate. No more waiting in line behind someone repacking their suitcase for 20 minutes. Online check-in also gives you a leg up in the seat game. Want that aisle seat near the front? You'll need to beat the crowd, and logging in the minute it opens is your best bet. In 2025, many airlines offer last-minute upgrades during check-in too, like surprise premium economy seats for a fraction of the normal price. Take advantage. Lastly, some budget airlines now charge you extra at the airport if you didn't check in online, so save yourself the money and the drama. Number 2. Become a luggage detective before it's too late. Packing is an art, but in 2025, protecting your luggage has become a full-blown science, with tech and common sense leading the charge. Before you zip up that overstuffed suitcase and perform the inevitable sit-squish maneuver, pause and take a clear picture of everything inside. Not for your Instagram followers, but for your own sanity. If your luggage goes missing, this visual inventory can help you file a precise insurance claim and prove what you packed. No more arguing over whether your socks were designer. Want to level up your travel security? Toss an Apple AirTag, Samsung SmartTag, or similar GPS tracker inside. These pocket-sized geniuses use Bluetooth and global networks to sync with your phone, letting you pinpoint your luggage location with shocking accuracy. If your suitcase ends up dancing in Dubai while you're stranded in Denmark, you'll know where to send the rescue squad. But don't stop there. Take a photo of the suitcase's exterior too. If you've ever tried to describe your bag as black with wheels, you know that's basically useless. Airline staff see 10,000 black-wheeled bags a day. A clear photo speeds up the retrieval process and gives you the upper hand. Bonus points if you jazz up your luggage with a bright strap, sticker, or unicorn-shaped tag, anything that makes it instantly recognizable and thief-resistant. And here's another often forgotten step. Place a business card or piece of paper with your contact info inside the suitcase in case your luggage tag falls off. In the chaotic ballet of modern airports, even the most robust bags can get misrouted, and a little detective work now could save a whole lot of headache later. Number 1. Charge it all, because 1% battery won't save you now. Think you've packed everything? Not until every device you own is juiced to the max. The night before your trip, plug in your phone, laptop, tablet, smartwatch, earbuds, power bank, electric toothbrush, and any other gadget you plan to use. If it needs a cord, charge it. Invest in a multi-USB charger or power hub so you can charge several devices from one outlet, especially useful in hotels or airports with limited plugs. Also, download offline versions of any maps, tickets, playlists, and shows you plan to watch mid-flight. Airport Wi-Fi is still about as reliable as a politician's promises. A dead phone can mean you can't show your boarding pass, call a rideshare, or even figure out where you're going. And don't forget universal adapters for international trips, because nothing's more humbling than realizing you brought 5 devices and 0 compatible plugs in France. If this video saved you from travel chaos and nail disasters, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, so your next trip is smoother than airport jazz music. Got a travel buddy who always forgets their charger? Share this with them now. Drop a comment telling us your funniest pre-travel fail. We've all been there. And don't forget, great adventures start with great prep. See you in the skies.